Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a Binance account, and I'm gonna do a little tutorial for you guys on how to do that, and also how to get a lifetime 10% discount on your trading fees, which can actually help you save a lot of money while trading. The first step you need to do in order to create a new account is to go to Binance.com, and you really want to make sure that this is the right site, because you don't want to end up on some scam page that will take your money. That's not cool. So always make sure that you're on Binance.com and you're good to go. And then we just click on register now or on register, whatever you want to pick. Both of them do the same thing, so we're just gonna click on this one, and it will take you to this section, create a free account, where you have two options. You can either create an account with your email, make a password. As you can see, these are the requirements for making a password. Or you can sign up with your mobile. Both of them are fine. I personally signed up with my email, but whatever you pick, that's okay. Once you decide on what options you want to sign up with and fill your required information, you will then click create account, and a pop-up like this should appear. It's a security verification where all you have to do is just slide this error until this puzzle piece matches the whole image. And then also, depending on the option you picked to sign up with, you will be sent a text or an email with a 6-digit code that you will have to introduce here on the page. And that's about it. That's how you create your account. I will quickly sign in to kind of show you guys how the interface looks, and see you in a bit. Okay guys, and this is how the interface looks. It pretty much looks the same. We have all of these options here, the buy crypto options. We can see the markets here, the trade option, the finance option. We have our wallet here, and if we click on this icon, we can go to the identification process, where we can add some additional information about us, like a picture of our ID or a picture of our face to complete the facial verification. And what would I advise you to do is to complete these, because besides the fact that this is going to secure your account a lot more, you will also receive some advantages on the platform based on how much you secure your account. As you can see, under every section completed, there are some advantages that you get. I have currently completed the basic and the intermediate. I still have to complete the advanced one, but as I said, I really recommend you guys do this, because it's a way of securing your account and also getting some advantages on the app. And lastly, I still have two more things to say. Firstly, I would like to say that if you log out of your account and you want to log back in, Binance is going to send you a new 6-digit code to your email or as a text to be able to log in. This is more like a security measure, and this will happen every time you log out and log back in, which is actually great because it shows that Binance cares about its users' accounts. And second of all, if you click on this icon again and go to the referral section, you will see that you can also generate your own referral code that you can share with people, so they can also get their 10% off of their trading fees, which is awesome because you have to pay a fee every time you trade, and that's a lot of money spent on fees, and that 10% discount is really handful. And yeah, I also recommend you guys doing that for other people and kind of like help each other in this community, because that's what we should do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you did. And if you have any questions or video suggestions, don't forget to leave them in the comments down below. I check every single comment, and have a great day.